Providing end-of-life care is no simple undertaking. Patients and their families deserve the highest quality care and most professional services available, even when the hospice provider is achieving corporate growth and undergoing restructuring. Often, however, what once was simple to manage on a small scale becomes complex after sudden growth, and financial managers simply don't have the technical skills to keep up with a rapidly growing and changing company. This was exactly the case when deFacto Global was called in to help a burgeoning leader in hospice care provision. They had experienced so much company growth that their once manageable budgeting process became suddenly too complicated, time-consuming, and easily corruptible. Unfortunately, the problems were so elaborate that any system changes and maintenance had to be performed by an outside specialist. It was very expensive and highly disruptive to workflow. deFacto Planning provided an affordable and more advanced reporting tool, as well as the necessary training to ensure the elimination of outside consultants. The in-house finance teams currently control all of their own reporting functions, organize data easily, and make any and all updates or changes themselves. Additionally, through deFacto's book publishing feature, the company can now publish reports for every market within the entity, automatically providing a greater sense of financial transparency and faster forecasting. The ability to manage entirely in-house has not only saved them a tremendous amount of money and time, it has provided a greater sense of integrity. The new streamlined process allows time that was once wasted to be regained and focused on their clients' needs.